Doing a quick review on the Eureka Bagless PowerSpeed. Took me less than 5 minutes to put this together. Put some stuff down on the floor just to see how it does on the initial. I've got sugar and flour and pink lemonade on a hardwood floor, and I've got it set to the for the hardwood floor. You're just going to see initially how this thing does. It had seen good reviews on it. Easy enough to put together, seems reasonably priced. So here we go. You can see it did a pretty nice job. Looks like the flour was the hardest that it struggled with the most. It picked the granular stuff right up, but I think pretty good overall for a hardwood floor. Yeah, there you go. I'll follow up on this after I've used it. I would say right now it's probably a 5 out of 5.
Look at this.
Cosas. Carlos Contreras de Gaspi, bienvenido a este evento, ¿cómo estás?
Gracias por la presentación, Troy, Claudio, Santiago. Pues sí, definitivamente es una carrera.
So aside from having very little suction to begin with, not being good for pet hair, and getting clogged almost the instant you start using it, this happened pretty much the day the warranty expired. So that snapped. There's supposed to be 2 little plastic pieces. Where'd they go? Here and here that keep it from catching on the rugs. Both broke too. Cheap expletive, Chinese piece of expletive. Yeah, do not recommend. Suction, terrible. Pet hair control, terrible. And yeah, plan on it breaking the second that you need it.
I just purchased this vacuum, and now it's not working. I've only used it once. The outlet is plugged in. The outlet works.